Happy ako kasi wala akong masyadong notes sa kanila. Except for yung buong feel lang talaga ng song. It's really positive, optimistic lang dapat, tsaka dreamy. Dreamy yung kanta. At tsaka katulad na sinabi ko kay Tito Mark, ibang klase kapag bata yung kumakanta. Para akong niyayakap. Alam mo yon, sobrang heartfelt ng kantang ito. Kung kaya lang ha. Since konti lang yung notes ko sa kanila, medyo kailangan konting i-improve lang yung way of singing, yung buong mood. Kasi it has to be, parang happy, smiling. Tapos, yun lang, very, very minor, technical notes lang talaga yung binigay ko sa kanila. Yung song na yun, it's perfect for them and that they delivered it well. I'm excited for them for the battles kasi I'm sure talaga na may maibubuga itong mga battle to.